Hello friends, welcome to today's Spark session. In this session, we will see a scenario based question on Spark. And the question here is, we have a data frame in which we have a column called card type and we have some values called checking. And in our output data frame, we need to replace that checking keyword with the cache. So that is what our requirement is. This type of use cases we will be encountering often in our data cleaning work in our data engineering part. So that being said, we will see both the Scala approach as well as the PySpark approach to solve this problem. Let us move on to our demo. We are into our Databricks Community Edition. I started the cluster as well as I created a notebook as well. We can go through each and every step one by one. The dataset for our today's demo is the personal transaction.csv file, which we had seen in our earlier videos as well. I will share the link in the description. You can go ahead and download it. That being said, the first step is to do a declaration and then read the CSV file, and I am filtering it only for a single customer so that our demo will be easier. Let me display the DF. The first approach that we are going to see is with PySpark. So here you can see in card type column we have a value called checking, which we need to replace it with cache. That's what our requirement is. So for this we have many approaches. We will see one by one. The first approach is nothing but na.replace. If you are familiar with Python and if you are also using pandas, then you will be familiar with data cleaning process, in which we will often use filled na.replace, those things. So same like here, we are going to use the na.replace to replace checking value with cache. Here is the syntax: dataframe.na.replace checking and then cache. And here the point to notice, this is applied to all the columns in a data frame and not only to the single column. Let me run this and display the output. So here you can find in our card type, instead of checking, now it is changed to cache. And the method 2 is the common method that we can use, reg expression replace. For this we need to import the function. I am importing the function, and then this is the syntax for that. I am adding a with column, and here is the function regex replace, and for this I am giving the column name and then what is the value that has to be replaced and what is the value that has to be replaced with. So this is the syntax for that. Let me run this as well. Here you can find again, instead of card type I am creating a new column, card type replace. So here you can find in the place of checking it is replaced with cache. So this is what about the regex replaces. The third method is case when statement. We can use a simple case when statement, like when the column has value like checking, then replace it with cache, else remain the same, like that. So for that I am again importing the when function. Here you can see, and the syntax is I am adding a with column, and from the column called card type, if the value is like checking, then we are replacing it with cache. I am a hard coded value, else we are having the same as card type value. So let me run this. Here you can find still the column, new column has been added, and the checking value has been replaced with cache once again. So these are all the three methods in PySpark which you can use to replace the value, string value inside a card type or else inside a column. Hope you understood this. Now let us move on to the Scala code. I am using the same notebook and I am using the magic command Scala to run the Scala code. So as a first step I am giving a declaration and I am reading a file. First method in Scala we will use regex replace, and I am importing regex replace function, and then the syntax goes like this. I am adding a with column and then I am using the regex replace. What is the column name, what is the value that has to be replaced, and what is the value with it has to be replaced. So let me run this and display the output for us. So here again you can find the card type checking has been replaced with cache. So this is one of the method in Scala, And the another method is to use case when statement as like as we did it in PySpark. Again here again we need to import the function. I am importing when function, and then syntax is almost same as PySpark. There is no difference. So here you have to give the with column I am giving the when condition for card type, which is like checking, then give it as cache, otherwise remain same as card type. So let me run this. Here you can find the card type checking also again replaced with cache. The third method, here in Scala we don't have na.replace or fill.na function, so we can create a UDF which can do a job for us. So the third step is like we can create a UDF. Here you can see I am creating a UDF in which it takes 3 parameters. One will be the column name, one will be the word that has to be replaced, and one will be the word that has to be end result. So and the function is, in our Scala we have a function called replace all. I am using that. So in a data, if there is anything with respect to rep, replace it with rep. That's what I am giving here, and I am assigning it to the variable. So this is the UDF now. This UDF we can use it in our Spark Scala code. That is what in our next line we can see df.with column. I am adding a column and I am using this replace function and giving the column name as card type and hard coding the value. First one will be checking and the second one will be cache. So let me run this. So here again you can find the same case, checking has been replaced with cache. So you can see we have 3 options in Scala and we have 3 options in PySpark, which we had seen. That's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please try this on your own machine and try to understand the concept better. If you face any issues, let me know in comment box. I'm happy to help you. Thank you for watching, guys. Please do subscribe to my channel and also give a thumbs up signal if you really like my content. Thank you.